everyone, welcome back to Whiskey Racing. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to get dents out of plastic bumper covers. The car we're working on today is a 2005 Dodge Neon, and this car's got pretty extensive damage to the back here. This is kind of like a teen driver backed into mom's car in the driveway, or grandma got a little excited leaving Walmart after getting her Black Friday cast iron skillet, or maybe had your car stored somewhere with someone you can trust, but they turned out not to be that trustworthy and vandalized your stuff, and now there's pending litigation. But regardless of the reason, we're going to fix this. So as I said, this damage is pretty extensive, so you may be able to just get your hand up here and pop it out, and that's what we're going to start with. Just apply pressure, and that ain't budging. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a heat gun. You're going to start heating up the plastic. You can heat it up from the back. You don't want to keep it in one spot too long and melt the paint, but obviously the paint here is all boogered up. And also have some sort of gloves on. I have welding gloves on. It might be a little overkill, but it's obviously going to get hot because you're applying heat with a gun to it. So we're just applying some heat to the panel here. If it's summertime out, sometimes if the car is out in the sun all day, you can just let the sun heat it naturally, but it's Thanksgiving weekend. It's nice today in PA. It's like 50-some degrees, but not quite warm enough to heat panels. As you can see, came out very little. We're going to try to work it around the creases. So as you can see, I got a little bit of the shape back in. So I got a lot of this out there. You can see where the impact was. I don't know what did this, but it's probably as good as we're gonna get this, but it looks 100 times better than it did. And another thing with this car, it was a race car. There's no crash bar back here, so you got lots of play in your bumper. All right, so this is the driver's side of the car. Kind of see how that is there. What I learned from doing the passenger side, if you heat up at the bends and make that pliable, it'll kind of work itself out. So we're gonna start by applying some heat all through here, and hopefully we can get our hand up that high to push it out. All right, so that's going to wrap up today's video on fixing dent bumper with a heat gun. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for me. You can spend a little more time on it with the heat and try to work it back to the original position a little more accurately than I did, but the car's named Flying Garbage, so I'm not that worried about it. But it's 100 times better than it was, or maybe not quite 100, but 84% better than it was. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and maybe I'll see you at the junkyard when I back into something and break the bumper beyond repair. Later.